Bucknell showed off its new nearly $50 million residential complex today, and it's part of a master plan to bring students back on campus. An open house drew big crowds to the South Campus apartments that will be home to 344 students. The 165,000 square foot complex is made up of 4 residence halls providing apartment style living for seniors and juniors, as well as a central commons building featuring a la carte dining and a large event space where students can do yoga, host social events, or just hang out. Some of the students who live here had a hand in its design.
We had students actually meet with the architects and share their interests and desires for these spaces, everything from the colors on the wall to the different ways that they wanted to use the buildings. In particular, they asked for blue and orange Adirondack chairs, and that's something that we will be accommodating outside of these buildings.
Some of the cool things about this complex is that each floor has their own common room space. So you have the study room space. The entire first floor is a study room. There you have a creative space where you have portable whiteboards that you could take anywhere with you to wherever you're studying, and you could do whatever you like. You have a game room. If you just want to relax because you're so tired of studying, you go to the game room, you play some foosball, you play some pool, whatever you're into. And then you have also a health and wellness area, and that one they have yoga mats there already. They have those exercising, what do you call it, weights, like barbells, I think, I'm not sure. And it's just great because there's something for everyone here, and they're all student picked, so students got to pick on which ones they wanted out of a list of like 10 or 15, and these are the 4 themes that students came up with.
This is a different kind of space for Bucknell with common spaces around buildings, and it could lead to a shift on campus. The whole idea behind the complex was to bring students back on campus where they can live and learn while maintaining a strong relationship with the downtown through the 200 students that will continue to live off campus.
Quite a long time. We've had about half of one class, mostly seniors, living off campus. And Bucknell very much believes in the values of a residential educational experience. And so actually quite some time ago, in about 1998, the Board of Trustees first started discussing moving the majority of students that were off campus back onto campus. And what we're standing in now is one fruition of that concept.
The apartment buildings feature suites with a common area and kitchen and bathrooms with 2 sinks. They also have themed lounges that 500 students voted on, including this one, which is creative space. There also are lounges for studying, a game room, and health and wellness. There also is an outdoor area where professors can take their classes for lectures or student groups can meet.